Hello friends, welcome back to our second machine learning case study, and today we are going to discuss about email marketing. So what is the requirement here? So companies needs better and efficient ways to increase their profit and customer engagement. Now there are of course many tools for that, and one of them is the email. So how email marketing can be improved, that is the main topic here. And what benefit are they going to get? So the sales would go up, microsegments will be created, and many more revenue generation. Now, what is email marketing on the first place? So according to Wikipedia, email marketing is the act of sending a commercial message typically to a group of people using email. Now, in its broadest sense, every email sent to a potential or current customer could be considered as email marketing. Now, we are going to bring you a lot many such case studies, so do follow us on the YouTube channel Mirror Neuron. Now, another interesting fact about email marketing is over 100 billion business emails are sent daily. Wow, that's a huge number. Alright, so marketing managers tries to create marketing campaigns with messages that resonates with the right audience, and emails are one of the great tools for that. Now, however, they should be able to send emails at the right time, make relevant and useful suggestions, and convert viewers to paying consumers and also serve them better. Now, using machine learning, all this can be achieved, but the question is where to start. So the first question that comes is, what should emails do? So they should have better engagement with consumers, make consumers aware of new products and services, should make customers feel special, should be able to quickly provide information about discounts and offers to the target audience, and ultimately it should drive revenue. Now, how machine learning can help here? So the first thing is better engagement. So a lot of product companies such as laptop, mobile, or healthcare product manufacturers consider email marketing a very important tool, hence they keep tracking whether email engagement rates are going up or down. Now what it means is whether new or existing consumers are engaging with the ads or not, whether the email marketing campaign has increased sales or not. So for that, machine learning algorithms are fed with previous marketing campaign data, past emails where customers' interactions happened, and to find out what words and content were used so that customers had interacted with it earlier. Now, machine learning has to learn all this from the past data. Now, also, are you making the consumer feel like an exclusive customer is the objective of email marketing campaign. It's a very important thing to know that consumers love to feel special. So can machine learning pick such words or sentences for each consumers to make them feel exclusive? Can it create that emotion? So we need to find those words and phrases. Next thing is calibrate timing. What does it mean? It's not just about the word or the language of the email, but also at what time of the day a particular user is interested in reading such emails. It is about optimizing the email send time for each consumer. For example, if someone sent me an ad for a running shoe between 3 to 4 pm, I might read it, and if sent before or earlier, I will simply ignore that or maybe put that in a trash bin. Now, because about that time 3 to 4 pm, my mind might be already planning for a run in the evening and have a more chance to go and order a pair of shoes. So that's what it is important to know when to send the email. Third, microsegments. What does it mean? Email marketing should create an engagement where the product ads are not only relevant but also make the consumer want them. Now, if the product company already knows what items a customer has already purchased, they should then accordingly create a smart recommendation system. For example, say if a consumer has recently bought some gym equipment, how about recommending her a weighing scale and a beautiful looking mirror instead of a generic ad on kitchen utensils? If you send an ad on a kitchen utensils, probably she might ignore it. Another area where machine learning and AI helps is in the real-time personalization. Now, how do you like when you get that coffee cup from Starbucks with your name on it? Feels amazing, right? Now, similarly, you are a fan of a particular football club. Based on your purchase, machine learning was able to figure that out and recommends you a jersey of that club with your name on it. Now, that's cool. How about that? So, I would definitely buy one. Now, last but not the least, along with the email content and timings and other strategies, words and phrases in the subject line of an email is equally important. Now, if you send such subject lines such as "you have won $10 million," guess what? It will go into your spam box. Now, based on the previous emails, machine learning algorithms can pick which words or phrase to be used so that consumers would click on them and act on that. Imagine this, if the phrase in the subject line is not catchy enough, guess what? Viewers will not read your email in the first place. So there is no point about email personalization and product recommendations. So these are the areas where email marketing campaigns are used for, and we have seen how machine learning can actually help them prioritize. There are few companies who are doing brilliantly well and have already invested millions of dollars in using machine learning and AI for email marketing. And some of the leading companies are ZetaHub, Acton, Persedo, Albert, Phrasee, and many of these companies are from New York. Okay, so I hope you have learned something new today and you have seen where machine learning and AI are being actively used. So thanks for watching, and please follow us on youtube.com/c/mirrorneuron. You have a great day.